How to create link for Google Photos. Firstly, open the Google Photos. Now you have to see any of the video or any of the photos. Select here. Now click on the share icon. Here we can see create a link. Click on it. In this way you can create a link of your Google Photos. Now the link will be pasted in the place where you want to send that photo. Thank you so much. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Now you can see the video or the picture link will be copied. Now move back, open your any of the chat here and click on it. Now you can see pasted it and send to another person. In this way your link will be pasted and copied. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.